Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Kame Garage. I wanted to introduce myself, Christian D, and I want to go over the new channel. What are we doing? What to expect? G for Godzilla is long gone. This is the Kame Garage, and I'm excited to show you guys all the progress, all the mods, all the DIYs we have done to the G35 for the past 4 or 5 years. I haven't put out the content out yet. I was waiting, to kind of create like a little series and have everything ready for you guys. Hope you enjoy. You guys are gonna see the glow up of the G35 and myself as well, because you're gonna see all the crazy hairstyles, hair dyes, all the different things that has happened throughout the years. We have a lot of things we have done to the G35. It is 2025. You guys are gonna see things that has happened behind the scenes throughout the years, and you guys are gonna see the evolution of our G35. Just so you guys can have a little peek, here's the G35 currently on 2025. Yes sir, that's the G35 right now on 2025. I really hope you guys like it. If you guys enjoy it, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button on all the videos as well, comment, share, and I hope you guys enjoy this whole journey that I'm about to share with you guys throughout the years, now dating 2025, and we'll see if it's worth it or not to own a G35 on 2025. With that being said guys, be on the lookout for the next video, and I'll catch you there.